Hi, well I finally got my new printer, so I thought I'd film the opening, the unpacking, because I think that's what's traditional. So this is how it came. This is a Prusa Mk2. And this is what I've got in the box. I'm a bit tight for space, so we'll try and see how we go. And there it is. So that's what else do we get in the box? Let's have a quick look. I'm going to put that on the bench for the second. Got some, I assume that is filament. So there's that box. It's suspiciously like another box of filament. Or maybe not. This is power cord, bag of Haribo, USB cable, memory card, looks like a nozzle cleaner in there, and Pritt stick or glue. Those which look like supports for the filament, I would assume. And a manual. Right, I've got it on the bench now. You can see, let's just move my monitor out the way a little bit, just to compare it with the one Hoa size wise. It's a little bit lower actually, which is good. So I'm going to so this is the new one, not the new one Hoa, this is the new Joseph Prusa. So this is an original Prusa. And they're not cheap, as you probably know. So I had it. I didn't go for the kit, which saves a couple of £100, but I just wanted a machine that would just turn up and work. So just to show you again what I got with the unit, we got the manual, bag of Haribo, mains cable, USB cable. These two things, which I assume probably clip on here somewhere. Pritt stick and cleaning alcohol, memory stick, and I think that is a nozzle cleaner. It looks like a small little needle unit in there. So it also comes with a list, which is a test sheet. Comes with a bit of paper saying congratulations on getting the original Prusa i3 and buying it straight from their factory basically. No need to tighten the nozzle tip anymore, we've done that for you in the preheated testing. So they've actually printed something on here, as you can see, with the Prusa logo. So there's a picture of Joseph. Read the safety instructions, place the printer on a flat surface and stable surface, download and install the drivers, calibrate the printer by following our calibration flow. Okay, so I have installed the a little SD card in the side there, and I'm now going to calibrate. I think that's that's what the manual's telling me to do. So if I press this, I go into the little menu, which I think you can see on the screen, and we go down to calibration, press that, and I'm assuming I go into XYZ calibration, so we'll do that. We'll take the knob to move the Z carriage up to the end. Oh yeah, that worked. The left and right Z carriages all up. Place a sheet of paper under the nozzle during first 4 prints. Okay. Okay, so I've just been reading the thing, and that taking the frame to the top was correct. So let's just pan up there. This went up to the top and sort of hits the top, but that is actually what it's meant to do, which was a little bit worrying.
On the bill at the BBC introducing 10th anniversary.
Well, I think that is done. Just turn down the radio. That's taken about 10 minutes. XY calibration okay. XY axis are perpendicular, congratulations. Now, I think what I've got to do is remove the filament. So the nozzle's heating up, we're 40 out of 215. Let's just pan down so you can see that. Fan's just come on. So once that gets up to temperature, I then go into unload filament from the menu. So I assume that just reverses the motor and just pushes that bit of filament out. Aha! Right, that came out. Okay. Right, I'm going to put you on pause and read the manual more. Okay, I'm going to attempt to load some filament in now. Right. We're now at temperature, so we want to load filament. It's reading, if you can't see it on the screen, it's saying loading filament. Is colour clear? Don't know what that means. We'll say yes. Well, I think we can actually do a test print, so I'm just going to put it on pause again.